Welcome everyone to SHOT Show 2014. I'm here at the Gamo booth, and you will see over here latest addition to all our Gamo family, BSA products, laser genetics, everything. Welcome again, Las Vegas SHOT Show 2014.
When you talk about adult precision air rifles, I mean, what name comes to mind other than Gamo? I mean, precision, quality, everything. And what I love about the Showstopper MRA, I mean, it shoots 1,400 feet per
and that's
second.
fast.
Right, it's 1.177 caliber. You know, when you think about it, whether you're just a target shooter or whether you actually want to get out and be a serious varmint hunter, this can do it. Some of our buddies have shot wild pigs with these.
Can you really kill a pig with an air rifle? Well, my answer to you is hell yeah, you can.
When you partner with somebody, you want to partner with the best, and we're proud to partner with Lou and Gamo. I mean, they're always on the cutting edge of all product, and that's what this is about.
I'd just like to congratulate Gamo on being the innovators of adult air rifles. You know, the last several years we've had a chance to shoot these guns, and we have had an absolute blast with them.
This thing is awesome. This is the new Varmint Hunter, 1,250 feet per second with a PBA pellet, smooth action trigger. It's got the whole package, man. These are serious piece of equipment.
Anything that can get the entire family outdoors together, we're all about it. The Gamo Youth Air Guns is one of those things that definitely gets the family outdoors together.
And we just really appreciate these guys, and always good products. They shoot well. Great products from Gamo.
I have seen more new innovations come out on the Gamo side through the years, and I've seen the stuff on the BSA side like a rocket ship take off.
When you talk about adult air rifles, Gamo, they have cornered the market on quality and precision, and that's really the truth. We're very proud to be part of this team, that's for sure.
For the latest news and latest addition to our big family of products, visit us online at gamousa.com and to our Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube video channel.
I'm telling everybody here in the world, Gamo is the only air rifle that you will ever need. They rock.
Gamo.